Okay, the way to work on problems like this is to draw pictures, start writing stuff down, and see if you can figure out what's going on. You want to read this problem through a few times before you actually start drawing a diagram. But I've read it through a couple times, and so here's what I picture. This water tank holds this much water, W. And I'm going to load a large tank and a medium tank with water from the big tank. And I know that after I load L and M, the large and medium tank, I've dispensed with 195 liters of liquid or water. So this must be true. M plus L is 195. That's the amount of liters that a large and a medium tank hold together. And now here's what's left in the big tank after we fill the first large and medium tank. Now we're told that as we try to use the water that remains to fill another large tank, we're 15 liters short. We don't have enough water in there. So that must mean that a large tank holds W minus 195 plus that extra 15 that we're short. W minus 195 is not enough to fill a large tank. We need 15 more liters of liquid. So there's yet another equation. And that simplifies to large equals W minus 180. And similarly, we're told that if we try to fill a medium tank with this W minus 195 liters of water, that we'll have 30 liters over. That must mean that a medium tank is W minus 195 minus 30. I can't quite fit all the water that remains into the medium tank. I got 30 liters too much. So that tells us that a medium tank holds W minus 225. Now we might notice this equation right here. If I add these two equations right here, I will get M plus L on the left. This is just one way to visualize it. You could use some substitution methods and get something similar. M plus L equals 2W minus 5, 10, 1, 405. But we know that M plus L is 195, so I can replace this M plus L with 195. That gives us 2W minus 405 is equal to 195. And now to solve for W, which is what I want to know, add 405 to both sides. It looks like I get 600. Divide by 2, and W, which is we're represent the amount of water that we started with in the big tank, was 300 liters. Okay, and you can use these equations to confirm that indeed this is true. If this is 600, then a large tank, 300, then a large tank holds 120 liters. And a medium tank holds 75. So 120 plus 75 is 195. That checks. If I try to dump this W minus 195, what was left in the tank after I filled the first two was 300 minus 195, 200, 105. So if I try to fill this second large tank with 105 liters, I'm 15 liters short. And if I try to fill this medium tank with 105 liters, I'm 30 liters over. So there you go. The amount of water in the tank is 300 liters. Okay, so when you see a complicated problem like this, draw some pictures, start writing some stuff down. That's better than just staring at the problem and staying perplexed. So there you go. Hope that helped. And if you have any questions, post a comment.